Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the car and phone ready. Make sure your Mazda's infotainment is updated and that you use a data-capable USB cable. Cheap cables often fail. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location services, then open or update the Android Auto app so permissions are granted. This primes the connection. Without firmware and permissions, pairing often stalls. Once done, position the phone where cable reach and visibility are secure so you can proceed to pairing without interruptions. You now connect and authorize the link. Plug the phone into the Mazda USB port and watch both screens for prompts. Confirm the pairing PIN when it appears. Grant Android Auto permissions for notifications, contacts, and media so apps can display. On the car screen, choose Android Auto as the phone interface. Then set audio routing and phone priority in the vehicle menu so navigation voice and calls play through the car. This detailed authorization ensures stable functions while driving. You finish by verifying core features work. Launch a navigation app, play audio, and make a test call to confirm input and output routes. If the connection drops, first swap the cable. If that fails, reboot the phone and the car system. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting Android Auto, and if comfortable, toggle USB configuration or Android Auto developer options. Finally, if problems persist, confirm Mazda firmware again. Keeping both systems current prevents most recurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.